Have you ever heard of a hidden gem along the East Coast called Satellite Beach? Nestled on the barrier island of Florida, Satellite Beach is a haven of sun, surf, and serenity with a rich history to boot. Our tale begins in the late 40s, a time when Satellite Beach was a quiet, unassuming stretch of sandy coastline. It was a time when the area was mostly mangroves and marshland, a secret paradise known only to a handful of fishermen and local wildlife. The 50s proved to be a transformative decade for Satellite Beach. The establishment of the Patrick Air Force Base in 1950 marked the beginning of a period of rapid growth as the military community blossomed, injecting life and diversity into the area. As the years rolled on, the 60s and 70s saw Satellite Beach come into its own. The town's population swelled, and with it came the development of schools, churches, and local businesses. This coastal paradise was no longer Florida's best-kept secret. It was now a thriving community, a place where families could settle down and retirees could enjoy a peaceful yet engaging lifestyle. Fast forward to today, and Satellite Beach is a vibrant community, its humble beginnings a distant memory. The town's pristine beaches, renowned for their crystal-clear waters and abundant wildlife, are a magnet for surfers and nature enthusiasts alike. Here, you can catch a wave, spot a manatee in their natural habitat, or simply soak up the sun. The culinary scene in Satellite Beach is just as diverse as its residents. Seafood enthusiasts will be spoilt for choice, with fresh catches being served up daily in the town's many eateries. But what sets Satellite Beach apart is its commitment to preserving its natural beauty. The town's leadership has made significant strides in environmental conservation, ensuring that Satellite Beach remains a haven for wildlife and a paradise for its residents. So whether you're a surfer chasing the perfect wave, a nature lover hoping to spot a manatee, or a retiree seeking a peaceful yet engaging lifestyle, Satellite Beach has something for you. This hidden gem along the East Coast is a testament to the magic that can happen when nature, history, and community come together. It's more than just a beach. It's a lifestyle, it's a community, it's a home.